What's up, my walkers? Welcome back. Good afternoon. I say that because it's 2:30. Yeah, 2:30. Actually, no, it's not. It's 6:30. I just said it wrong. I mean, I am bad at timing. It's like that time. It's 6:09 p.m. Yeah, I was trying to watch that, but I just noticed that I'm going to make a very cool video today. It's very cute, and it's smaller than my cat. And I'll give you a hint. That meow you heard. That another hint. Oh, look at that small cat. See? Yeah! Yeah! Gotcha. Hey. Hey. Okay. So that's the new cat today, and he just went under there for no reason. He's trying to come back out. There he is. There she is. Hey, I need you. I need you. I need you. Huh. Got him. It's a her. He's so cute. It's a she. And his name is Sammy. Yeah, Sammy. So cute. And you want to get down? Okay. She's so cute. She's messing with the remote. Okay, what you gonna do? What you gonna do next? Oh. Okay. Get off. Can you get off? Okay, do it again. Okay. Do it. Do it. Oh yeah, I did my homework. And yeah, that. So she's like good. Very good. She's supposed to be brown though. But he's so cute. Okay, he's gonna make this jump. She's going to make this jump. Do it. Oh, 7. Go. Don't play with my sock. Don't socks. Hi. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video today. So, if you want to see it more, just reverse the video, like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, so subscribe. I have 11 subscribers back, and do you know who let me have 11 subscribers back? My grandpa. So, thank you for that. She lives like down there somewhere. And yeah, so that's the video today, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you my cat because my new cat, and it's a kitten actually. It's like almost like 3 or something weeks old. Yeah, so it's like y'all think it's like already born, but it's so fuzzy and all this stuff. Ugh. So, so cute. So cute. So, yeah, that's the video today. And subscribe if you want and like this video. And someone has been liking my videos all the time. And that's very good. Yep. So, yeah, that's the video. And goodbye. Hope we see you next time. Bye.